Learning is more than knowledge and information. It's also a process of studying and finding out. We call this inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning is a classroom technique based on learning through hands-on activities. In the classroom, you design well-planned activities that provide opportunities for students to develop their skills and deepen their understanding. Typically, the students will begin a new topic with activities that are quite strongly guided by you, and the challenges will be moderate. As students gain in confidence, you can give them larger challenges and less guidance. Where students have been trained in EBTL from primary, we would plan to give guidance rather than instruction, allowing students to problem solve and find their own solutions, a skill that is highly appreciated by employers and is a true life skill. Students become resilient when the result is not what was expected, but this is accepted as the norm. Not a failing, but an opportunity to learn and discover, to find out at a deeper intellectual level. Inquiry-based learning approaches can help students to develop higher order information literacy, numeracy, and critical thinking skills. When you use inquiry-based learning, students are involved in their own learning. They are active participants rather than passive receivers of knowledge from you. Education is not done to them, but with them. As teachers, we are privileged and honoured to be sharing, not directing their journey. It has been shown that students who learn in this way have a deeper understanding and their recall of content is more effective. Learning by doing resembles how we learn outside of school classes, by copying experts, by trying things out for ourselves, and by achieving real results. Science is a subject where questions are asked and solutions are found. Students are actively engaged in asking questions and finding solutions. Students actively engage in planning their own methods to find solutions or answers to their own questions, or those posed by the teacher. Investigations should be hands-on, allowing students to make their own mistakes and learn from them. Observing demonstrations is sometimes essential in the busy learning and teaching schedule, but this is less effective. Done well, where questioning encourages minds-on learning, is a compromise to hands-on learning. Students find out about the world around them and learn how to work safely and efficiently. Students are encouraged to develop growth mindset, where it is not only okay to get it wrong, but it can be celebrated. Many discoveries would have never come to light if experiments had gone to plan. Students are encouraged to learn from errors and mistakes. They learn the tools of determination and methodical practice through repeating investigations until they are confident with their results. They can then share their repeatable methods with other scientists and widen the results further, resulting in more confidence. Inquiry-based learning can build a basis for future understanding, but also build important skills and attitude to learning. Students develop essential skills, for example, problem solving, collaborating, communicating, using scientific vocabulary, predicting, hypothesizing, testing, observing, analysing data, concluding and evaluating. These skills can be described as skills for lifelong learning. They achieve a measure of self-organisation in their work, approach a variety of learning tasks independently, and develop skills and attitudes to assist inquiry and communicate effectively. Students learn through experience how to follow rules to keep themselves and others in the room safe when carrying out investigations. They learn how to respect and value the equipment and each other, supporting the well-being of all of the practitioners of science. The teacher's role in an inquiry-based lesson is as a guide, where support and scaffolding is given. Over time, this support is reduced and eventually removed. Students new to this type of learning often need a lot of support, and this is known as guided inquiry.